Friends, good morning. Welcome to ES lecture. Today we are going to start our unit number 4, Plants Around Us, part number 2. We eat the seeds of plants like a wheat, maize and rice. We crush the seeds of some plants to get oils. Many vegetables and fruits do not grow in our country. We get raspberries from Turkey and special apples from Australia. These are different from those grown in our country. A lot of time and money is spent in bringing the fruits and vegetables from outside. Sometimes we buy these fruits for a taste. However, if we buy fruits grown in our own country, we spend less money and help our farmers too. Next point, age of a tree. How many years the trees will be ready? Some trees grow for a long time. If we cut the trunk of a tree, we see many rings in the wood. See in this picture, so many rings are there. Each ring stands for a year of the tree's life. Next point, leaves. Leaves are the food factories of a plants. So, answer is leaves are the food factory of plants. They are mostly green in color because of the presence of the green pigment chlorophyll. Leaves have a different shapes and size. See here so many pictures of the leaves. These all are the different plants' leaves. Mostly leaves are green but some have a different colors. Leaves of the maple tree are orange while that of crotons are yellow and red. This is the picture of cacti. Some plants have leaves modified into thorns. Thorns save plants from being eaten by animals. Cactus has a fleshy stem with a thick waxy coating instead of a leaves to store the water. Lotus and water lily have a long hollow stems that help the leaves to float on water. This is the picture of lotus plant. Now, how do plants breathe? Leaves have a small pores on their lower surface which help them to breathe. These small pores are called the stomata. By taking the stomata, plants can take the breath. During the day, the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air and give out the oxygen, and that oxygen taken by human beings. Plants take the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is used by the plant to make the food. Now, plants make their own food. Plants make their own food when they get air, water and sunlight. So these are the main things for the plants making the food, and that are the air, water and sunlight, and plants make their own food. The roots of a plant take in water and other nutrients from the soil. The stem carries the water up to the leaves. The green leaves are a sunlight and the air to make a food. This is the reason leaves are called the plant's kitchen. Leaves are called the plant's kitchen. So, who is the plant's kitchen? So, answer is the leaves. The process by which green plants make a food using air, water and sunlight and chlorophyll is called a photosynthesis. This is the question, what is a photosynthesis? The process by which green plant make a food using air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll is called a photosynthesis. Now, all the plants are not green in color. See here, this is the picture of mushroom. Mushroom, yeast and fungi are some such plant. Those plants not color in green. They do not have a chlorophyll. So they cannot make their own food. They grow on other plant or on dead animals. Uses of leaves. First one is some leaves are eaten as a vegetables. These are the pictures of a coriander, mint, etc. that are we used by eaten as a vegetables. Have you eaten a golgappas in a leaf bowls? The bowls and plates are made from a dark leaves. Some people eat a pan. It is a leaf of a plant called a betel. Some leaves are used to make a medicines. This is the neem trees. Neem leaves are crushed and used as an antiseptic. Oil from the eucalyptus leaves is used to cure common cold. Tulsi leaves are also used as a medicine. Mehndi leaves are used to decorate a hand and feet during a weddings and festivals. This is the picture of mehndi leaves. Now, mango leaves are considered auspicious. They are tied in garlands and hung across the doors during the weddings and used in a colors as a part of a puja rituals. Many ornamental plants are grown in a pots and used for a decoration. When leaves fall from the trees, they rot and mix in the soil. When leaves are fall from the trees, they rot and mix in the soil. This rotten plant matter is called a humus. It is good for soil as it makes the soil fertile. These are our unit number 4. Now let's we move to our exercise. Question number 1 is the new words. HERBS, hops, CLIMBERS, climbers, CORIANDER, coriander, JASMINE, jasmine, PUMPKIN, pumpkin, CACTI, cacti, aquatic, AQUATIC, Rafflesia, RAFFLESIA, turkey, TURKEY, thorns, THORNS, nutrients, NUTRIENTS, MUSHROOM, mushroom, FUNGI, fugi, MEHNDI, mendi, SHRUBS, shrubs, CREEPERS, creepers, hibiscus, HIBISCUS, grapevine, GRAPEVINE, desert, DESERT, orchards, ORCHARDS, Hyacinth, HYACINTH, raspberries, RASPBERRIES, chlorophyll, CHLOROPHYLL, stomata, STOMATA, photosynthesis, PHOTOSYNTHESIS, yeast, YEAST, humus, HUMUS, decoration, DECORATION. These are the new words of this unit number 4. Students, you have to write it 2 times and also try to learn the spellings. Now move to our next exercise. Question number 2. Answer the following question. First question is, what are herbs? Answer is, herbs are a very small plants with a soft grain stems. Question number 2. What are climbers? Answer is, climbers are a weak plant that cannot stand straight. They need a support such as a wall, a stick, or another tree. Question number 3. What are aquatic plants? Answer is, plants grow in a seas, pond, and lakes. Such plants are called aquatic plants. Question number 4. Give any 4 uses of plant. Answer is, a plant give us a food. Second is, the plants purify the air. Third is, we get a medicine from the plants. Fourth is, a plant provide us a cotton and jute fiber for making. Question number 5. How can we calculate the age of a tree? Answer is, if we cut the trunk of a tree, we see many rings in the wood. Each ring stands for a year of the tree's life. Now question number 6. What is a photosynthesis? Answer is, the process by which green plant make a food using air, water, sunlight and chlorophyll is called a photosynthesis. Question number 7. Give any 2 uses of a leaves. Answer is leaves are used to make a medicine. Second use is mehndi leaves are used to decorate hands and feet during a weddings and festivals. These are the 7 question answer of this unit. You have to write in your notebook. Now question number 3. Give a 2 example of each. First is the creepers. Answer is pumpkin, sweet potato. Trees. Neem tree, Ashoka tree. Third number is aquatic plant. Lotus, lily. Non-green plants. Mushroom, yeast. Leaves eaten as a vegetable, cabbage and spinach. Question number 4. Match the following. First one is the cacti. So answer is a desert. Mango trees. The answer is a plains. Water hyacinth. Answer is a sea. Rafflesia. Answer is another plant. Arctic bearberry. Answer is the close to the ground. Now question number 5. Write a yes or no. First one is the all the leaves are green in color. So answer is the no. Second one is the cactus has a fleshy stem. Answer is a yes. Third one is the air is not needed for photosynthesis. So answer is a no. Fourth one is some people use a banana leaves as a plate to serve the food. So the answer is a yes. These are the all exercise of this unit. You have to write in your notebook and also try to learn this. Thank you students. Have a nice day.